Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the a new Node.js package, that is SuperAgent tutorial. So those who haven't subscribed my channel here, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. What is SuperAgent? SuperAgent is a small, flexible and a powerful HTTP client library for the Node.js browsers. It's great for the making API requests, handling query strings, headers, forms, and the file uploads, writing integration test also with Chai and the Mocha, handling promises and the async wait. How many downloads it has? It has maximum minimum downloads. You can see that. You can see too much downloads, weekly downloads. So we should use this package, right? So how to use this? First of all, you install this package, and if I go with the terminal, let me open this cd var www html node.js CLI app, open the code base. So here I'm going to install the package. First of all, change the version nvm use node 20, and then I'm going to add this package. Okay, I'm going to open the code base. CLI app code is not open. Here we go with this. We have this right now. Let's take an example of a new file, that is, let's create testing.js. Here I'm going to just call a simple function. What we have to do, import request. Okay, super agent, right? Just word up this, and here we are going to call any API. Okay, await request this console.log json response and this. Okay, let's try to save and run node testing.js. Here we have all the data. Here you can see, simple. So this is basically used small progressive client side HTTP request library and the Node.js module with the same API, supporting many high level HTTP client features. Okay, so easier, very good package, and pretty much too much download. So you can try over it, and here the same also you can do with the query parameters. So you can pass the query parameters like this. After that, there is a post request. So post request like this you can send, and if you want to send the authorization header, so you can do like this one. Okay, cleaner syntax than the nodes native HTTP modules, works with the both callbacks and the promises, simplify testing API, supports multi-part forms and the file uploads also, browser and the node.js support. So I hope you give a try for this. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.